or being singled out. Some things just annoy us all, like late reply texters. We all hate double standards. We all hate feeling like no one will give us a hand. Trust us when we assure you, however, that you're not alone. Disaster seems to have a knack for striking at the most inopportune moments. Unfortunately, things aren't always what they seem. Some tragedies just can't be explained. Other times, it's best to learn from your mistakes. Sometimes patience is the key to overcoming obstacles. Sometimes dreams work out, other times they just spill all over the backseat. Sometimes you just can't.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.